Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we'll be going over an Oyster Perpetual Datejust 36 Oyster steel with a white gold bezel, featuring a white dial with Roman numeral hour marks and an oyster style bracelet. Reference number 126234. We'll be going over the case, dial, bezel, crown, functions, movement, as well as the bracelet. And I'll be giving you my thoughts on all of these as we go throughout the video. Alright, so beginning from the case, we have a 36mm case from finger to thumb. It measures 11.7 millimeters thick and lug to lug 43 millimeters. So quite a nice compact little timepiece right here. It has the monoblock middle case with a screw down case back and winding crown to ensure water resistance down to 100 meters or 330 feet. You wouldn't expect anything less from Rolex, especially with their Datejust 36 line. This is sort of like a medium-sized watch that just about anyone can wear. It's effectively a unisex type of watch. All right, so now all of this is made with a white Rosor. Well, actually not all of it. As you can see, there's no hallmarks underneath the lugs here. So the case itself is made in oyster steel, which is Rolex's own proprietary blend of steel and other materials, other elements to effectively make a high polish material that's exceptionally strong. All right, and with the bezel here, the bezel itself is actually made in white gold. You can see that it's a little bit warmer than what you would see on the case. The case by itself is also high polish, nice flanks with a sort of a very nice gentle bevel on these lugs as they taper downward as well. All right, so with the bezel, we have the white gold again. It has the fluted look, which was originally made for the purpose of screwing onto the case directly to ensure waterproofness, but modern advances have made that relatively, well, kind of not really needed. And so they've kept this look because when you see this fluted bezel, you know that it is certainly a Rolex, and it's always made in some sort of gold, and in this case white gold. All right, taking a look at the dial here, we have the white dial face, rather neutral in its look. It's not cool nor warm, just a plain neutral white color with Roman numeral hour marks in 18 karat gold applications. There's also a very nice minute and second track going all the way around the perimeter of the dial. If you look very closely, it has a very bolded index mark at each 5 minute, 5 second, or hour interval, as you can see there. All right, and looking at it overall, it has a very good balance with all of the Roman numerals placed very evenly all the way around, with a date window aperture at 3 o'clock. You can see quite clearly through that Cyclops lens placed on this sapphire crystal, which is scratch resistant as well. All right, now taking a look at the functions here. Works just as you would expect. Simply unwind the crown to the first position. You can wind the watch from that point rather easily. All right, you can then pull the crown out to the next position. You can advance the date by rotating it clockwise. It's about a quarter turn, so it's rather easy to set the date. Extremely easy if you're way far off. All right, and if you're on the 30th of a month, you can just advance to the 31st and the 1st very easily. Just a single half turn will get you there, no problem. All right, pull the crown out to the final position. Note that it stops the seconds hand, allowing you for that hacking motion, or lack thereof, rather. And you can then set the minute hand to any precise position based on the position of that second hand. Press the crown all the way back in and screw it tightly against that case to ensure the superior 100 meters of water resistance. All right, so what allows all of this to work is the movement. It is the in-house made caliber by Rolex, the 3235 movement. It features a plus or minus 2 second per day time differential per 24 hours. That's what per day means after casing. All right, it also has a center hour, minute, seconds hands with the instantaneous date with rapid setting, stop seconds for precise time setting, as I had just demonstrated. It has It also has the paramagnetic parachrome blue hairspring with high performance Paraflex shock absorbers. That's to say that the oscillator effectively will keep its time near any, any magnet or any sun bumps, or anything that could potentially keep the time from being consistent. Anything that would break the flow of time within the movement. This has the shock absorbers that allow it to effectively keep the time just fine. Right? It also has a bidirectional self-winding rotor on the inside, so your natural movements of your wrist will keep this wound all the way up to its approximate 70-hour power reserve. Far superior when it comes to that, the automatic winding features of this, with the main barrel being able to hold 70 hours. So you can effectively place it down on a Friday evening, pick it back up Monday morning, and you'll be keeping track of time just fine. No need to wind the watch at all. All right. And when we look at this bracelet, it has the standard Oyster 3-piece bracelet, 3-piece links going all the way across, all in oyster steel, with the outer links being a satin brush finish, the center links being a high polish, as you can see, also with my fingerprints, all right, with a high polish along the sides. Leading down to the clasp here, we have the oyster steel oyster clasp. All right, just simply lift the top to open up, and you can see that it is certainly made of steel all the way throughout. All right, now I have this open, but it also has an Easy Link 5mm comfort extension. Now what is that? If your wrist happens to expand throughout the day, maybe you drank an entire bowl of soup and had to down, say, 2 liters of just natural spring water, your wrist will probably swell because it's rather hot and you need to hydrate yourself. So for the extra 5mm, all you need to do is just reach underneath this buckle here and just pull it straight out, and there you go. Extra 5mm, easy on the wrist, easy on you, very easy to wear. All right, and now while we have the bracelet open, I'll give you my thoughts as to how it wears on the wrist. Now, considering this is a Datejust 36mm in diameter, it fits me very nicely. I really like this size watch because I get a very good ratio of bracelet to case on both sides as well. Also, the 36 makes it a very nice size for its dial. Easy to read, easy to see all of the lettering as well, very easy to see the date as well. So I get the entire, orchestration of a Rolex Datejust here with a 36mm and with the, maximum 43mm lug-to-lug distance. That makes it a very, very good size. Also, the lugs hug the wrist very nicely. With the counterweight of the bracelet to the case, it fits very nicely on the wrist. No need to feel like, you're swinging something around, in every direction. All right, so enough of what I think. What do you think about this watch? Let us know down in the comments below, and be sure to hit that like button as it helps our channel out. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when we go live with another video. And as always, if you'd like to purchase this watch, any watch like it, right, feel free to go to our link down below in the description, jazztime.com. We'll see you there, and we'll see you in the next video.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in jazz time, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.